Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on a Powerspec i3 Plus. And yeah, you get a power cord this type where you've got the three prongs. Hopefully your printer came with something like that. And then what you're going to do is plug it in the back, and you're going to hit the power switch, and the printer's on. So it'll take a second to boot up and all that. The cooling fan turns on right away, that's what you're hearing. And there it is. So this is basically turned on and you're ready to start using the menus. This one is a touch screen, unlike the, for example, we did one on the Monoprice Mini Delta. And so yeah, this one is a touch screen. It's now turned on. It literally just takes a power cord, the type that I showed you with the three prongs, and you flip the switch and it's turned on. So Keith from Kinvert showing you how to do this as part of our online course for 3D printing and CAD. Hope you found it helpful, and we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.